Hello everyone, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make a playlist private on YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Open YouTube, then tap on Profile Picture, select a playlist you need. Then tap here, 3 dots, edit, tap on visibility, select private, then tap on save. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.